KD-UPS52U is a complete UCC system, allowing you and your colleagues to present locally and over any popular video conferencing software, and there's no programming at all with this system. We see it's a fully loaded product, and it includes the HD-based T receiver. Let's get into what some of that connectivity does for you. You have multiple digital video inputs, as well as HD-based T natively transmitter, giving you different transmit options, and the receiver, which again is included in the box, and you got 100 meters distance in and out of this box. It's an auto switching system, so just plug in your cable or disconnect your cable and you're on to that selected source. And it has USB signal management, which is passed through the system in a variety of ways. It's very, very flexible, doing things like your webcams or your USB mic and speaker combo units for your conferencing. It really enables you to build a full system, and you don't have to add a whole lot of extra wires because we're doing CEC control of the connected displays or projectors. So no IR, no RS-232. You just connect the USB. When you open up the box to set it up, you enter a name because you may have multiple units on your network. You set your desired IP address. You're going to now have the GUI for video switching, or you could add those integrated products like our camera. Saying that you have a camera now gives you a control GUI for that camera in that same free KeyDigital app. Say that you have the KeyDigital amplifier, you hit a checkbox that says, yes, I do. Now that gives you that GUI for the amplifier to control the audio. You could also name your inputs, outputs, and just hop an extra wire into the amplifier or into the camera over RS-232. Now the whole system is completely integrated, again, with a few checkboxes, no programming needed. The app is free. It also comes with a handy remote that controls the system, the displays, and the camera if needed. And it's all controlled and configured via the KeyDigital management software. It's part of a full line of products that we have. For more information, you're going to want to go to chat with my colleagues on the sales side. And here you see all of their contact info. Thanks very much.